Good morning, everyone. Oh my god, hello. Today I'm going to be doing a day in my life video. I'm so pissed because I just bought this little, like, not tripod, but it's something to hook onto my camera, to hook onto my car. But it literally just broke, and I literally just got this the other day. So whatever, I'm a little annoyed, so I'm gonna have to probably go buy a new one today. Right now, I'm heading to the gym. I just had some breakfast. I just had some avocado toast. Today, I have a lot going on, so I'm kind of in a rush. I don't know how long I'm gonna even be at the gym, but I'm trying to be consistent with it, so I'm trying to go every day and let myself have like a couple rest days. But yeah, so I'm going to the gym, and then I have tons of stuff going on later today, so I thought today would be a great day to do a day in my life. So let's go to the gym. Holy crap, it is so windy out. And it's so cold. Why am I here? Why am I doing this? I just got done at the gym. My arms are seriously dead. I did an arm workout. I did a little cardio and then an arm workout, and I'm like so shaky right now. I got done a little later than I wanted to, so I have to speed. I have to go home. I have to shower really quickly. And then go meet some girls. We're having a little meeting. And then taking some pictures after that.
Exactly how many years? For some reason, I was tripping out. Hey, Bernie, when you missed it for some other guy will come in and say, no.
Yeah, for sure.
Who was this call? And then people come to think, and then you sort of say, well, I totally blew the call, and I know what I do. Let's move on to the next one, because we got a lot of ball games left here. You can't dwell on something that happened the last play. You gotta wait and see what's gonna happen the next play. Bernie, last one. The Patriots.
I just got done in the shower. My room is such a crazy mess right now. It makes me want to puke looking at it. Also, I have to rant, but okay, so I got this like bralette from Urban Outfitters, and it just had it had like the strap right here, but seriously, like every single bralette I get from there that has like the really thin strap, they always like pull out, and then it's like becomes super loose, and then I can't wear it anymore because it's so loose, so I end up just like cutting it. But I'm seriously so annoyed. That's the fourth bralette that's done that, and I'm just so annoyed. So I need to get more of those. I don't know why I keep doing that. I like get so annoyed, and I'm like, I'm never wearing those again, but then I buy more. So I don't know if that happens to you guys too, or if it's just me, if I just pull on it too much. I don't really know, but I'm just really annoyed. So I'm gonna get ready, do a quick call, and then I'll see you guys in a second.
I have to be able to be as genuine in person as I am on social media, and vice versa. Go, 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 right? For hours on end. You can't, you know, you gotta get it. Like, so I work very well under high pressure, or like just are huge fans of Soul, what the product offers us, and also for our puppies. Our dogs love it too. They love it.
I literally put way too much highlight on. Yeah, I need to get that off. And it's like all up in my eyebrow now. Oh god, yay. OMG guys, okay, I am so late. I'm like 20 minutes late, but whatever, it's fine. I'm on my way now. I'm going to Christmas Point. We're getting lunch, we're having a meeting, and then I picked out some outfits for Instagram pictures. I need to go shopping. Like honestly, I need new clothes, but I hate buying stuff for winter like now, because pretty soon it's gonna be spring and then summer, and then yeah, so I really just want to go shopping, but I shouldn't. This is my makeup look. It's not good. Like, it's not good. I was in a rush, and it's just too, I don't know, it's too much for me right now. do a couple more.
Okay.
Sorry. I am so cold. I swear, it's like -5 degrees outside. I am literally freezing. Why am I living here? I need to move to Florida or somewhere warm ASAP. This is so miserable. I literally cannot. I am heading to Target.
Of a non-biased, unbiased.
I'm gonna, I don't know. I'm gonna try and take some more pictures. I wish it was not cold. It's so cold out here. I'm so sad because I need more pictures. So I don't know how much more I'm gonna get today. It's just so cold. It's so miserable. My fingers are literally freezing off right now. I am back home. We ended up only taking pictures where we got lunch, and then we went to Target really quickly and I got some makeup wipes. I get the Neutrogena brand. I normally get the brand from Costco, Kirkland makeup wipes, but I didn't feel like going to Costco today. Honestly, right now, I think I'm gonna clean my room, watch some YouTube. I'm meeting with Brianna and Amy tonight. Amy's home for her mom's birthday, so she's home from college for a couple days. So we're all gonna go get dinner. And then, yeah, so I'm gonna go and clean my room because it is a hot mess. I'm like really embarrassed to even show this right now, but it is, I can't even like look at it without wanting to throw up. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I just got some packages in the mail. I'm not really sure what this box is, but I know these are some pants, so I'm gonna do an unboxing for you guys. Okay, so first package is from VC, but I don't really know how to say this, but I got these pants on sale. They're super cute. I saw them on someone's Instagram story and they're so cute. So I'm like, I need those. So they actually were on sale, which is so nice. I think I got them for like 30 something and they're originally 60, or maybe it was, I don't know. But anyway, I love the waistband. It's like cinched like that. And they just look like, that. They're so adorable. I hope they fit. They should fit. These were a small and they actually look really big. But those are the pants that I got. What's in this? So I guess we'll find out. Oh! Okay, wait, I'm actually really pumped for this. Okay. So this is the, I'm not really sure how to say this, the Laneige. I'm not really sure, but this is the Laneige water sleeping mask. I heard a lot of good things about this, so I got this. And then I also got the lip sleeping mask. So it's like really good for your lips. I've heard a lot of good things. Our focus, hello. So this is the lip sleeping mask. I've heard a lot of good things about this. Yay! And then I got some little samples to go with it. And then I also got, I think these are like the eye mask things. Oh no, it's just a sheet mask. I got some of those and then more samples in here. Yay! I'm so excited to try this. Oh my god, it's like frozen. Gotta put on my story. So this is the lip sleeping mask in the shade grapefruit, or in like the flavor grapefruit. Looks like this. Focus. It's really cute. I love it. I might have to wait to put this on if it's frozen. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wait. I'm pretty sure. Ooh. Ooh, that smells really good. I got this in the flavor lavender. Oh my god, I'm so excited to use this tonight. So I think this mask was about $30. 30, I think. And then this lip mask was like 20 some. So this was 30, this was 20, and then I think the reason why I bought this, okay, I originally was gonna just get the lip mask, but it was like spend over 50 bucks and get free shipping. So then I bought this for 25 and this for like 30 something. So I got free shipping, and then I also got to add some free samples and stuff like that. So really excited to try this. I'm also excited to try this sheet mask too. I just got an email. My company is sending me to Vegas for free, you guys. Oh, I am so excited. I'm staying at the MGM Grand, and it's a 4-day trip. 4 days for free. Fully paid for by my company. They are the best in the whole wide world. I'm so excited. This will be my 3rd time in Vegas, and I get to spend it with all my boss babes. I'm so pumped. It's gonna be a blast. I am so grateful. Hi, okay, this is a weird angle, but it's what we're doing right now. So I'm gonna try this lip mask, since it should be, maybe it's supposed to look like that. Maybe it was, I don't know. Okay, so I have a little bit. I'm gonna put it on my lips. Ooh. Okay, this flavor smells so good. Okay, I'm living for this stuff. It seriously smells so good. My lips feel really good. It doesn't feel too heavy. It feels really hydrating. I love. So again, this is the Laneige, whatever, sleeping lip mask, if it'll focus. Almost. So good. I really love it. It's really light. It really feels really hydrating. And it doesn't feel like it's gonna like clump up or flake at all. Like I have some lip balms that clump up and like peel or just look gross and feel gross. This feels amazing. This is the best purchase ever that I've ever purchased so far for lips. So I have like an hour and like 20 minutes before I have to go to dinner. So I cleaned up my room a little bit. I still have to finish it. But I'm watching Haley Reese right now, and she kind of has like a lot of paranormal videos and stuff like that. I was watching one of Keaton's videos, and she mentioned Haley Reese and how it was like paranormal videos and whatever, and so I was like, I'm super into that. I'm like actually really scared of that stuff, but I love watching it. So I watched a couple, and now I'm like hooked on her, so I'm gonna just take the next hour and 20 minutes before I have to go to dinner to watch some of these videos. If you guys like paranormal stuff or like spooky videos and stuff like that, watch it. It's super good. I just got home from dinner. I totally forgot to vlog. I ended up getting a pasta, and we just talked and chatted and all that stuff.
I'm really excited about how many people are on this call. But like, just from being in it since August, like I've grown so much, and I'm so active in like
showing up on your social media. When you're not showing up, that means your business is not open. So I think I'm gonna wrap up this day in my life video here. I just got done with some team calls, and now I'm just going to, I think, do a little bit more work before I go to bed, edit some videos, and then just hang out on my phone for a little bit. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And I will see you guys next time.